morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Using the Cetaphil face cleanser.
A woman was too stunned to speak.
And honestly, you guys, whenever I use this, it makes my face so smooth. So we're gonna start off by cleaning the room. That's the first thing I do, clean the room, because look, he made me a mess. As you can tell, my dog is not potty trained. Yeah, let me go ahead and put him out so I can start cleaning the room and get ready for the day. Go outside. Go outside, baby. And I'm gonna go truck. It's just the fact that I get to wake up in the morning and actually take the truck over there. It's like I care so much that I'm taking it, because the truck is literally so nasty. And it's not even that I made it nasty, it was already so nasty and I just made it worse basically. I'll clean the truck because in the mornings they have a little discount, so if you go before 10 you get $5 off. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, I'm taking out his truck. Twisted all the way, so I have no music till I bring my freaking charger plug thingy. I want to know what I do whenever I can't put music. I just literally play it from my phone. Andale, niño. I'm driving my boyfriend's truck for the whole week because my tires like popped in the freeway and all that, and I got stuck on the freeway on the side, whatever, right? So I don't get my tires till today. Today's Thursday. So this whole week I have been just driving my boyfriend's truck, you know, for work, for food, for necessities, for the gym, whatever, right? Oh my gosh. You guys saw that? You can literally see everything. Babe, you need to get your windows tinted or something, babe, because fishbowl vibes right here. Fishbowl vibes. Donde quieras que yo voy. Okay, we're at the car wash, you guys. It is currently 9:35. I checked right now. But look, you guys, this is how dirty it looks. It's really dirty. Like, it's super dirty. So that's why I'm like, baby girl, I gotta click. Who is that? First of all, I want to know who that is. All right, guys, we're at the car wash now. Lávate, troquita. Washing la mamalona because the mamalona needs to be washed. It's about to be done, and we're gonna go clean the inside of it now. Oh my gosh, let me talk. But we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside of the truck because it's so dirty, you guys. The inside is dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum everything. So dude, why does he have his insurance over here? Oh my dude, I'm what the heck? What in the motherfucking cracker is wrong with these guys? Pensar una y otra vez más. As you guys can tell, my boyfriend's not the cleanest, organized. What? So right now I'm trying to clean the inside of it. I have my dog with me. It's so big. The other dog bit him, but he don't want to listen, so he wants to keep playing with him. But look how he looks, you guys. Daddy's not here. Se quiere subir. ¿Te quiere subir? ¿Te quiere subir? Look what he did right now. He got on top of this. And I was like, get down. He did all this. My boyfriend's gonna get mad, but look. Ugh. I took a shower. I had to take care of something. And it is currently 11:13 a.m. Let me change this wallpaper because it's not giving. Letting my hair dry. I am hungry, but I'm not gonna eat till 12 because I eat after 12. I grabbed all my nail stuff. So I'm gonna be using, I saw this on TikTok. They're basically press-on nails and you just put them on and then just put the top coat and then pretty much that's it. And then yeah, all the other things I need to use right here. Usually when I get bored, when I have free time, usually I do my nails. But I usually do them in la noche just because that's where I'm like, oh, well, I'm not doing nothing. I'm just gonna lay down and watch TikToks. I'm gonna go ahead and go do my nails off camera and I'll be right back. And I finished doing my nails. They look like this. I cut them. I made them short. They look like this. Just something simple. We're gonna get ready for the day. It is currently 1:10. Jamming out while doing my makeup. Casi algo, chale a lo gritado. AJ, can you close the door for me, please? Now I've been using the Red Beauty blush, you guys. This is a little mini one for travel size. Honestly, it's so cute. Do you guys saw that video about Jaritza that she went to Mexico? Cause I was gonna go like to go watch her at the fair, but again no, porque like nah, ya no, you know. Okay, so this is my finished makeup look. I don't feel like wearing eyelashes, to be honest. So I just got ready. This is my outfit. It's 2:24. Let's go ahead and go. I turned off my lights and let me just get my bag. It's right over here and my camera so we can take the truck. I am currently on my way to go pick up my brother. It is currently 2:43 p.m. Sorry, because I want to go to Bath and Body, see what they have, and also because I want to make my boyfriend a little basket because he comes tomorrow and he's just always been the best, you guys. Right now I look and I have to put gas in the truck, and the truck takes like about like 80 bucks, 90 to almost fill up. Look at the picture I sent him because I was like, I'm vlogging, like let's go. And he sent me this picture of him because he went to California, he got sunburned. Hey, I did graduated. Wait, is that my diploma?
Sí.
What? I did it. I did it. What? Oh. Now it's time to commit myself to becoming a full YouTuber. And then I want to go to TJ Maxx, look for the Hello Kitty chair. The grass. I'm just kidding. And we're going to Macy's. It's freaking hot. We're going through the back because there's really like not much cars. We got a parking spot right. We're going to Dillard's now. I'm getting tired. Let's see, I don't go to the gym. Well, I do, but I don't really do cardio. They have supposedly discounts, so we're gonna see. It's called Dillard's Clearance. Okay guys, so I got these little like sausage pepperoni ones. And we're gonna get our drinks. Look what they have. It looks so good. Okay, that's what we're eating. Alright guys, so we're at Walmart now. We came to get my tires because as you guys know, I got flat tires. So basically I have been driving my boyfriend's truck for a whole week, but I came to get my tires today. And yeah, that's pretty much the vibe. They look gross. It's currently like 9:30. I don't know. There's a lady in the back. 9:30.
Oh, you guessed it.
Yeah, I'm actually a good guesser. But look at what we got. Gatorades, chips, puffs, esta chulada. Because I'm trying to make a little basket for my man, but they don't really have. I don't know what to get him. Guys, look what I found. It's a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro. Have you seen these?
No.
Del Sol de Janeiro?
No, I haven't.
Se llama babosa. It's called Bavaria. Huele feo, no huele a nada. Ross, Didi. I was a fly. Este dice que es supuestamente de pancakes. Let's see, because I'm okay.
Make breakfast.
Iba a caer por mirando tus nalguitas. So good. It's literally the dip of it. No, me gusta.
No? It smells good. Ew, huele feo. Tan caras.
The one you gave me smells good, bro. That's Alexis. I'm gonna give him this one for my boyfriend. Even though I'm gonna use it, it's kind of for both of us. Oh, you do like that one?
Yeah, that smells really
I'm gonna buy
good.
you that one. But you can have it to your birthday. So I'm gonna have to. Both are good.
Both are good.
¿Esos estúpidos?
Ew, huele feo.
Huele a café. These guys
Oh,
are
sí,
following
es
us.
ice caramel.
Those guys are following us. I'll be like, why are you following me?
Feeling good, like I should.